Imagine if starting tomorrow all the videos that you ever uploaded would start to get a tidal wave of views. Now imagine what it would be like if in 1 week from now all your traffic worries would be over. Now, do you want to make that a reality? Well, in that case, listen up closely. It doesn't matter how good your video content really is, or if you get top rankings for your videos on Google and on YouTube, because the first thing that your viewers will see is your thumbnail. And here is where 90% of video marketers get it wrong. If you don't have an attention-grabbing thumbnail, all your work would be in vain. The problem is that creating attention-grabbing and click-pulling thumbnails is kind of hard and tedious. But not anymore. I have great news for you. Click the button or the link below this video or on the side of the video depending on the device that you are watching right now, and find out how you can double the number of views that you are getting overnight. The simple trick got us 3 times more views and more traffic. So what are you waiting for? Find out how you can triple your views right now. Click the button below and see you on the other side.